Back at Heel&Toe again, where we talk about cars and then some. As you can see, we got merch, we got new merch. If you want this t-shirt, by the DM us on our Facebook, Instagram, whichever it is, and you can have your t-shirt. In the meantime, old man Jenkins is back. Remember when we went to Oriel Limited and he had a million and one problems, but the main one was the bushes on the diff. Yep, so he came down here to Stan's clinic. There we stand over there, looking like Stan. But we managed to fix a few things. But before that, we actually went and made a list of the problems because everywhere of Old Man Jenkins. Here they are. We have Old Man Jenkins. We got this very nice report from the Surgeon and Oriel KE by one Mr. Lobster. Genius at cars too. So he gave us this report, and here you can see all the things: exterior, blah blah blah, wheels, engine, steering, drivetrain. The worst being safety. Yeah, we drive by faith, not by sight, but we should change that very soon. But he actually went us and gave us a very clear and concise report, which is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages or so, which was very nice, by the way. So many details, constant velocity joints and whatnot. And that's just CB joint, by the way. Sounds futuristic, but just CB joint. But he gave us this, and from this we managed to at least have a start to where we're going to fix things. Hence, us going to Oriel. In the meantime, we also had a few things to change. Like this is a reverse light switch. Yeah, my reverse lights are also not working. Yeah, I don't even know how I was living, by the way. I don't know. We managed to fix it, and it goes somewhere under here. If you follow us on IG, you'll see the few more photos and where it actually goes in. In the meantime, the other things that changed were the diffs, the bushes of the diff. But for that, we need to talk to Stan, the man. He's even done with his phone. Dude, oh yeah, this is the man. And this is actually heavier than we thought. So this is the good one here, the bushes. Remember what he said, whenever he was driving off, it kept him banging back and forth, no pun intended, as of now anyway. So we got this out and you can see they're cracked. Now, to replace this, we have to chuck all of this and put in new ones. And these ones go way at the back. I don't know if you can you get a shot of the back? I'm just going to do this all here. Oh yes. As much as Mr. Director is looking at me with bad eyes, look at me with deathly eyes. Look, I live in a coffin already. So this goes all the way here. Somewhere on the inside they hook up. They're supposed to be, they actually two of them, they're a pair, so they link up that part of the far end and this near end. But the other one is also this main bush. Now bushes, what bushes do is that they reduce vibrations in your cars, which is actually what bushes do. They reduce vibration and less friction. So does your bush. I will not apologize for that. But yes, basically that's what we're doing. So you fix the lights, you fix the bushes, and this being a project car, this is what you do. You start small and you fix the little things, especially the more important things like safety and whatnot, and you get back to where the car originally was. So yeah, that's Heel&Toe. Here at Stan's clinic, and guys enjoy. Always, by the way, remember to subscribe to our page on YouTube, Facebook, that's Heel&Toe, Instagram, Heel&Toe 254 at Heel&Toe 254, and yeah, I think that's it. Oh yeah, merch, but they don't forget, this looks amazing though, doesn't it?